Oh man, it's so bright.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. So glad you could join me. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, if for some reason you never learned how to do that. Let me start off by telling you what you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need peanut butter. If you don't have that, good luck making your sandwich. And if you have a peanut butter allergy, you should either stop making the sandwich or find a peanut butter substitute. I personally prefer Jif's creamy peanut butter, but you know, it's up to your preference. I still respect all you crunchies out there. You're also gonna need jelly, because how else are you gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich if you don't have part 2, the jelly? Any flavor from any brand will do. Now you could just stop there and just bare hand the peanut butter and the jelly, start eating it right out of the jar, but we're making a sandwich. So you're gonna need some bread. 2 slices will do just fine, but I brought, about half a loaf just to be safe. You never know what could happen when you're making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. To spread your PB&J, you're probably gonna want a knife, but be careful not to cut yourself or others. If you don't trust yourself with a metal knife, a plastic one, or anything else that's not sharp like this should work just fine. And finally, get yourself a plate. Okay, so first, you're gonna wanna go ahead, grab your 2 slices of bread, and set them on the plate. Now go ahead and open both your peanut butter and your jelly. Unless you're super specific like me, it doesn't really matter which one you use first. So you're gonna wanna grab your knife, scoop out a healthy portion of peanut butter or jelly, slather it over 1 piece of bread. You're gonna wanna repeat that same exact step for whichever you didn't use between the peanut butter and the jelly. Now, if both your bread slices have the same thing on them, they don't look different like these 2 obviously do, you've done either something terribly wrong or you're on a higher level of sandwich making, for which I congratulate you. Good job. So, like I said, if they don't look different, go back through this review, follow each step exactly the way I said it so that both of your pieces of bread look different. Once you've got it correct, take your 2 pieces of bread and slap them together like so. You got your sandwich, you're ready to eat. If you're feeling a little fancy and you still have your knife, you can optionally cut your sandwich in half. Either long ways, which is the beginner's way, you'll probably want to do that, but I'm going to be a little edgy and go for the diagonal way for the advanced tutorial. Just like that. Then, you can just go ahead and take a bite of your sandwich. Man, that's so good. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. I hope to see you next time. Hope this went well for you. See you in the next one. Bye.